Hi, this is Dr. Ramya, consultant physician at Deccan Hardikar Hospital. So today in this video, I'll be talking about obesity. So obesity is a state of excess of adipose tissue. So, although it is viewed as an equivalent to increased body weight, that's not the case because, even very lean muscular individuals can have increasing body weight on numerical standards without having increased adiposity. So, if you see your body weight is, regulated by certain endocrine and neural components that have a greater influence on the energy intake and expenditure. So even small imbalances in this energy intake and expenditure can have greater effects on your body weight. And obesity, the most widely used method to gauge obesity is the body mass index, known as the BMI. So BMI is calculated with the weight and the height. It's like the weight in kilograms divided by the square of height in meters. And if you see in general, the BMI for men and women in general ranges from 19 to 26, and a BMI between 25 to 30 is considered to be overweight, and a BMI of 30 is considered as a threshold for obesity. And so for instance, a BMI of 25 to 30 is considered medically significant and worthy of therapeutic intervention, especially in the presence of risk factors like hypertension and glucose intolerance. And many studies have suggested that the all-cause metabolic, cancer, cardiovascular morbidity begins to rise when the BMI is more than or equal to 25. And second most important thing is the location of the adipose tissue. So the location of the adipose tissue in different anatomic locations has its own significance. For instance, the intra-abdominal or the abdominal subcutaneous fat is considered to have more significance when compared to the subcutaneous fat deposition in the lower extremities of the buttock. The exact mechanism is not known. It may be related to the fact that the intra-abdominal adipocytes are lipolytically more active than the other areas. And one more thing is that many common complications of obesity like hypertension, diabetes, your cardiovascular complications are more common in those who have intra-abdominal fat. Obesity is something which is being more overlooked, especially in the current scenario where people work at home. We have more of sedentary lifestyle now, especially in this pandemic situation. So have a very close watch on what you eat and your weight. Thank you.